Okay, I solved the mystery of why the dot changes when you select a different country. The key is not to select the dot that highlights it. For example, when I click on it right like this, and then I click on it again, do you see how we have these little selection circles around it? When you see those selection circles, it's only going to be coloring that individual data point. So when you change it, it will not update. So watch. When I go to here and select marker and I change the color, it's a different color, right? Now, if I select another country, it changes back to red. So the key is to select it, click on it one time, and that's it. Notice how you don't see any selection marks around it. Now, if I go to color, marker, change it to light blue, I'm going to change the uh, marker options to a slightly bigger number. Now watch. I go over here and now watch when I select a new country. It remains. So the key was to select it, but don't select it twice. When you click once, that's fine. But if I click one more time, this will not work. That's the solution to the problem there.